And there is the pork carnitas and the pork loin. I've got a little bit of water, and then I've got some of the Cicero, Lowry's Total Seasoning. Where's the other one? And Lowry Cicero Adobo. So both of those is in there. I do that, and for those that, like I don't give the seasoned leftover water to the dogs. So this one would make good broth though. So, season it up and you can have some pork broth. Then I've got that 80-20 ground beef in here. I need to smush it down just a second. So for the beef broth, I like the water to almost cover it. Like, you see it's like about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the top. I like that because it keeps it from sticking and getting grody. A lot of the videos you see on TV of where they, or not video, whatever YouTube is, not TV, whenever they're making their beef, a lot of times you'll see them add some water, and it's almost like it helps it break up a little bit better whenever you're breaking it up. So I do that. Plus it doesn't stick to the edges as bad either. So I'll let you know further along. I just chopped it up. It's been about an hour. So I got that. And then I'm just letting this one chill. Oh, it's chilled all right. Oh no, it's on low. Why do I feel warmth? That's why. Lord have mercy. Now it's going to be going right. Whoopsies. Okay, it's on low, so yeah, okay. Picked up some of these today. I've had them in the past, but anyway, I put 6 ounces of the 80-20 ground beef in the smaller side. This was some cauliflower mash that I had bought. Like I said, I was just trying to work on getting rid of some stuff in my cabinet freezer. So I separated into these two. Still got that going. And I'm going to break down this rice cauliflower and these green beans in the rest of these containers. So they'll all be the same. So there were 7 of these, so hopefully I get enough of that, because I figure I can eat, one of these for one meal, and then that with the salad for the other meal. We'll see. I may end up having to make burgers to make enough for the next week. I don't know. So there is some cauliflower rice, some green beans, some mushrooms, and like a little sprinkle of onions in all of these. So I'm going to put some seasoning on it. Hang on. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's always so hard to open these with one hand. Just a second. I think I dropped you. Sorry. I got some of the stir fry. Put some of this on here. My dryers tell me it's done. Now I'm going to pour some plain old salt with it. Although if that's like regular stir fry, or if it's anything like soy sauce, it'll be plenty. But now, so all these are seasoned up, and I'll put some of them in the freezer and leave some out. So you'll be seeing these during the week. I do have some burgers in the oven because there's no way that's going to be enough, but that's all right. You just got to make do. So there's the pork. It made 4, 5, 6 of them. And then I went ahead and made burgers. These are all burgers. That's a pork. And that's a pork. I did 6 ounces of the pork. And then I did 2 1/3 of the burgers. And that made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is all our big meals for this week. And next I'm going to work on, I got to work on the yogurt and cottage cheese. They didn't have the regular sized ones, so I had to buy these little ones, and they are 150 grams, but I use 110. And then I bought 2 of the Too Good yogurt, so I got to make those, and then I'll make up my coffees, and then I'll have everything done for the weekend. I'll just make my coffees. I know I've got videos on that, so I'll make my protein coffees and then my breakfast, and then I'll be done for the weekend. I did just eat. I ate a couple, some serving of burgers and that cabbage salad that I like. It's coming along. I've got all the yogurts. They made 6 of those, made 8. The yogurt and cottage, let me phrase that. 6 of those little individual cottage cheeses made 8 servings. So the way I do them in the 110 grams. So they're boxed up and ready to go. And like I said, these have veggies. These are just meat. So I have a salad with them. And now I just have to get the coffee. And finally, I've made 6 more coffees. So I've got my coffees done, my meals done, and my breakfast done. And everything is ready. And it is 1 o'clock. So I can spend the rest of the afternoon doing probably gaming. Ha! Took the dogs for a walk this morning. So now I'm just going to chill out. Oh, wait, no, I got to finish laundry. 1 more load. But anyway, have a good day.